Bubble wrap is designed to protect products, but on some polished timber surfaces, it can actually cause permanent damage. Plastic bubble wrap can trap condensation against the surface. During storage or shipping, that moisture has nowhere to go. The damage isn't caused by the journey. It's caused by what touches the timber first. Use tissue paper, furniture blankets, foam wrap, or moisture management wraps as the first layer. Then add bubble wrap or other cushioning over the top. Good packaging isn't just about cushioning. It's about choosing the right barrier first.